Well, howdy and welcome. We're going to go over a few CB codes, right? 10-0, use caution. 10-1, poor reception. 10-2, good reception. 10-1, poor reception. The spirit, man spirit, the star spirit, 10-1. 10-2, good reception. 10-3, stop transmitting. Okay, 10-4, message received. So the first four is all about the message. Use caution, poor reception, good reception, stop transmitting, message received. Now, because the seventh gate is all about the beginning, well, we have the beginning as 4 and 3 equals to 7. Message received and stop transmitting are the alters of this. We also have 10-7 as the 10-4, 10-2, and 10-1, which has good reception, poor reception, and still message is confirmed. Okay, 10-1 and 10-2. Now, if it's 10-1, it's poor reception. If it's 10-1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2 do not transmit between each other. When you have 10-5, okay, it says relay this information. But to the seventh gate, when you relay that information, you have to go to 10-2. 10-2 would now say good reception. Relay this information, good reception. If you want 10-10, relay this information and relay it again. If you want 10-10 with 6 and 4, right, everything is around this. Relay the information. This one, receive the information, 10-6 is busy. 10-7 out of service, 10-3 stop transmitting. Okay, 10-8 in service, 10-2 good reception. This is out of the moon. 10-9, please repeat your message. 10-1 poor reception. They are absolutely perfect to the 10-10 world. Everything starts to separate at this number over here. 2 plus 1, 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 and 3, 5. In between is for message received and affirm. We go to 10-10, okay? It is fight in progress, out of service, negative transmission completed, welfare check. 10-10, okay? 10-11, talking too fast. Okay, so we have to understand why would it be talking too fast. What is it? En route and talking too fast. I mean, the information is coming in. We're bringing in the information from one world to the other world. 21, blackjack. 2 and 1 comes together. Poor reception, okay, and good reception inside 10-2. Remember 10-2? Good reception, poor reception, you're talking too fast. 10-12 is visitors, right? Because the only reason we have 12, and I'm going to show you one of these. The only reason we have 12 is because until we go anywhere, we must come out of the block, into the scene, right? You come down, you come into the scene, and you go over to the other side, right? This is the only way through. These are the way throughs, my friends. These are the only way throughs. These are roadways, right? This one can go down here, and this one can come down here, right? Okay, they're 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. But at the same time, if you take a good look, okay, the going around of this will create 5, okay? And on this side, it will create 2. Are you on the left side of the block or on the right side of the block? If I continue this same design, I will be over here, okay? These designs will also create H and I, and I'm going to show you how they create H and I. Here's your H, and here's your standing I with the block in between. The representation of 3 and 1, 3 and 1 collective. 3 and 1, 3 and 1, do they come together? Whoop! You come in from here, you go into here, and which way do you go? You come in, and you go which way? Which way did he go? Which way did he go? Which way did he go, right? Inside the cubed house. Whoop! He went down this hole, up, down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole. Okay, so now we're going to get back to the CB codes. We're going to go to 1019, return to station. Remember what 1 and 9 was all about, right? Return to station at 1019, okay? And now 9 and 1 says, please return your message, okay? And 1 says poor reception, so they absolutely match, right? Usually when we drive in the US on the road, we usually talk on channel 19. Okay, we're going to jump a little bit to 1023, arrived on scene. What is so special about 23? Arrived at location, standby frequency, status check, en route, sex offense, right? 6 offense. In the day of man, because it was 24 hours of 10, XX representation, Roman numeral X in the 24th letter in the alphabet, also representing the letter C, which represents the red sun because of the 3 ball in full connects to the 11 ball, right? Which I should actually do right now. You see the 1 ball? See the 1 ball here? It connects over to the 9 ball over here. Okay. The 2 ball, good reception, goes over to the 10 ball. fight in progress, negative, transmission complete, welfare check. Then the 3 ball. 3 is the red sun. Stop transmitting inside the red sun and talking too fast. The sun is moving fast. Why is it talking too fast? Then 10, 12, okay, that's the purple ball. Standby, visitors present, disregard, calls in progress, at scene, check, revocation. But remember, when it's 10, all these 10s represent the blue ball. So you're always representing in CB codes the blue world, all the time. You're always representing it. And here you represent blue and blue. Blue and blue. You get blue and blue. One world should be blue, the other world should be red. That's right. Positive, negative, in, out, cold, hot. So we're going to go down and here's your XX compiled in 1. There's a riot. When DC is in charge, it's a riot. The frequency is open to channels 10 and 33, which means the 2 worlds, trouble in jail, correct time, meet officer. Now we're going to go with all about Mr. 7286s, okay? In 7286, there's no 71 and there's no 72 because there's no gateway. It's a creation. 27 is the only way to do 72. So we're going to have to go down to 27. There's only one of them. So 1027, which would equal to 17, the gateway, and 37, which is inside the cube. Okay? We have 1027. This is the creation of time, breaking and entering. Driver's license, vehicle registration, I am moving to the channel, any answer. 7 times 2, 7 plus 2 says win the big red sun. 72 is the movement of time and is one part of time. Okay? There are 5 parts in 360, but you as a 10 student, you are living one of the parts. So it's 288 times 1.25 equals to that. 86. Okay? 86. Officer on duty. Utility line down. Okay, utilities. Remember, utilities. Okay, what are utilities? Is it the phone line is down? 86 is communication. 1089. You know what 1089 represents? 2 and 3. 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2, 1089. How do you get 10? 1 times 10, 2 times 5. Are there any other ways to get 10? Yes. 6 and 4, 5 and 5, 7 and 3, 2 and 8, 1 and 9. All creation of the blue world. All creation of the blue world. Remember, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6. Right here. All the opposites. Everything passing the 5 key, right? The 5 key. Everything trying to pass by the 5 key right over there. The bricks. H and I, H and I, H and I, 52, 52. See the separation on 52? Right over here. There's a little mark inside here. I should check all these marks. Where will my next one be? Let me take a look at the... Now, where should I be doing the next one? See, I'm going to have to do it continuous, right? I have to do it continuous because that would only be fair, right? This would be the continuous over here. Well, I shouldn't have put that line straight through, or should I have put that line straight to connecting to 52? So right away, you're seeing the same thing as this. 52, 52, and 52 together, 10 and 4, 10, 4 communication says I with the top part, right? Here, C's together, C's apart, C's together, C's apart, C's together. I and I, with the center I being the home to the top and the bottom. Remember, when you look on here, your question is, why do I have to go? Okay, I mean, I should finish with the CB codes. Anyways, that's basically all these CB codes are something different. And BC communication, CB, which is 2 and 3, okay, which represents the white and the light blue world, because in horse racing, the 2 and the 3 reverse colors from standard bred to thoroughbred between the 2 white and the 3 blue to the 3 blue 2 and the 2 white and the 3 white. They each get white and blue in separate racing, both get 2 and 3. Now, what I wanted to say is when we're talking, there was so many other things I wanted to mention. Let's go inside of here. So this one takes up the center board, right? This one connects both sides. We must absolutely, if God started everything on day 6, right? It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And then for man, it started over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or this would be 7 to end it, right? And then it would start over, God would start over at 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this would be 10, this would be 8, this would be 6, this would be 4, this would be 9. 9, 4, 6. But anyways, I didn't want to get into that right now. I just wanted to do the CB codes. I wanted to show the bricks. There's a lot more than that. I'm going to just be making another quick video after this. 11 minutes is long enough. And that thing I just started to do over here, okay, there's a reason for it. I'm not going to get into it right now. I'll have to do another video and sketch it all out. Remember, this one area takes up a total of 3 spaces. Between 1 and 4, there's 3 spaces that connect the centers here. If 1 is in the dead center and 4 is in the dead center, then to connect these 2 is 3. To connect these 2 is 3. To connect these is 4. But then we start to ask ourselves, if to connect this one is 4, and how come this is only 1? So we start asking ourselves questions, and there's so many things to calculate on here. Let's not get into this. Raphael, thank you for watching this video.